Hi guys, so today I thought I would share with you 5 quick ways to minimize the ribbon, to hide the ribbon. So sometimes when you're working on a spreadsheet, you might think that the ribbon takes up a bit too much room and you want to minimize it. So I'm going to show you 5 quick ways of minimizing the ribbon so that just the tab headings show and all of the rest is hidden away. So the first way would be to use the keyboard shortcut Control and F1, and you'll see that the ribbon is now hidden and it's just the tab headings that are shown. To unhide it again, press Control and F1 and it will reappear. Now the second way is to double click on the active tab heading. So whichever tab you're currently in, so at the moment we're in the data tab, double click on that heading and the ribbon will minimize, leaving just the tab headings. And to get it back again, double click it again and they will reappear. The third way is to right click anywhere on the ribbon and choose collapse the ribbon. And again, it will minimize, leaving just the tab headings. And to get it back again, you can either just double click on one of the headings or press Ctrl F1 again. Just to note that if you are using Excel 2007 or 2010, when you right click on the ribbon, instead of collapse the ribbon, the wording will be minimize the ribbon. So the fourth way is to use the arrow, which is in the bottom right corner of the ribbon. So it's just here. If you click on there, and that will minimize the ribbon. And again, to get it back, press Control and F1 or double click on the headings and the ribbon will reappear. And the final way is to use the ribbon display options. Now if you go to the very top of the screen on the right hand side, you'll see a little box with an arrow in, and it's the ribbon display options. If you click on there and just click show tabs, and that will just show the tab headings. And again, to get it back again, Control and F1 or double click on the heading, or you can go back to the ribbon display options here and choose show tabs and commands, and that will get the ribbon back for you. So there you have it, 5 real quick and easy ways to minimize the ribbon while using Microsoft Excel. I hope you find it helpful, and as usual, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and until next time, happy learning. This is Xena, the office dog, and she would love it if you could watch this video just here. Or maybe even this video is good as well. Nope, she actually prefers this video just here. Or maybe this one's really good. Actually, yeah, this one. Oh, do you know what? You decide.